Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials for using X. In this video, we'll show you a full guide on how to hide the fact that you've read a message in X. Sometimes you may want to maintain your privacy and not let others know when you've read their messages. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X application on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Tap on the account icon. Find the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the account menu. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy. From the account menu, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it to access the Settings and Privacy menu. Step 4. Tap on Privacy and Security. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, locate and tap on the Privacy and Security option. This is where you can manage various privacy settings for your X account. Step 5. Tap on Direct Messages. Within the Privacy and Security settings, find and tap on the Direct Messages option. This is where you can customize the settings related to your direct messages. Step 6. Disable Send Read Receipts. Within the Direct Messages settings, find the option that says Send Read Receipts and disable it. By doing so, you'll prevent others from knowing when you've read their messages. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to hide the fact that you've read a message in X. This allows you to maintain your privacy and control the information you share with others. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to hide that you read a message in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more X-related tutorials.